Up next is my kind of paleo. This one's gonna go quick, so come right back for my seafood stuffed yams with Paleo Nick. Woo! Keep it paleo. My kind of paleo, this is like what I do at home. I have one of these same pans. I get that thing going. I've got whatever's in the fridge and I'm gonna make a meal. We're gonna kind of remake something that I made a couple weeks ago on Instagram. People liked it, so this is how it goes. Boom, couple cloves of garlic. Peel these guys quickly. Pan's heating up, right? The pan's hot. Put olive oil and garlic. Go, now we'll go 1 onion, julienne, get our garlic going. Add the onion to the pan, quick pinch of salt. I'm gonna use broccoli. The one I did on Instagram had Brussels in it, but like I said, just whatever's in the fridge is what I use. So we're using broccoli today. Boom, half and half again, 2, and then some cauliflower. I'm just gonna do like something like that. And then about the same size as the broccoli. Boom, boom. There we go. Stir that around. I can smell that the garlic is well toasted, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my water to help that along. I'm gonna give this a stir, and then I've got Veggie Victory, right? Paleo Grind, stuff's the bomb. That's gonna be my seasoning. Maybe a tablespoon of that. Stir that in. It's got good heat. It's got some chili in there for color. But just overall really good for sauteing, searing, roasting, that type of thing. I'm gonna take my yam and throw it in the microwave. Next up, I'll work my garnish, which is gonna be Tomato Sambal. I've showed this maybe once, I think at least once before, but very simple, colorful, tons of flavor. I'm gonna dice up 1 Roma tomato. There we go. And then into this little bowl. And then from there, sambal, 1 healthy spoon. That's done. I'm gonna set that aside and grab my yam. Boom, yam's ready, good and hot. Now I'm gonna start to plate. So from here, I just cut this baby in half and open it up, and that'll kind of be the bed, the foundation, and then we'll just fill this in with veggies, seafood, garnish. It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna just transfer this to a bowl, pan back on, then we'll bring in here 6 shrimp and a handful of bay scallops. Salt on top, oil, and we'll go like that. A little more salt here. While these are finishing, we'll talk quickly about why we did this separately. If we were to try to cook all this together, we wouldn't get a good sear on our seafood. There'd be too much moisture, and then it's just hard to time all that. So I'll always knock my veggies out quick and then transfer them to a bowl, or we could have probably put them right on the, the serving plate here, and then use that hot pan to cook your protein. Okay, we're calling that good. And voila, there we got it. Seafood stuffed yams. Now, like I said, this is how I cook on a regular basis. A hot pan, some protein. We've got some high glycemic carbs and low glycemic carbs. Get as many salads in as you can. We could easily top this with the salad or salad on the side. So get in the kitchen, have some fun, and as always, keep it paleo.